Hi, Mac friends. So today I thought I would teach you a little bit about your fingerprints. And because I was thinking about the community helpers out there that use them, like police officers and detectives, they use fingerprints to solve crimes and stuff like that. So I thought I'd teach you a little bit about what fingerprints are. So for this experiment, you will need a piece of paper, or maybe two pieces of paper. You will need a pencil, a pen, and some tape. So it's pretty easy stuff. You don't need too much. Now, the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to draw our hand. Here we go. Just gonna draw it. And this is just really so that we can know what fingerprints belong to what finger. So if you don't want to do this, you don't have to. But I'm gonna do it just to keep things organized. Okay. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to draw. We're just gonna take our pencil and we're gonna draw a little bit of a square on our paper. We're gonna kind of go hard so we get lots of graphite. Graphite is what's inside of a pencil. So now that I've got a big square of graphite, I'm gonna take my finger, I'm gonna rub it on the graphite. Just rub it around and get lots of that pencil markings, the graphite, on my finger. Oof, so much. So now I'm gonna take my tape, I'm gonna carefully take off a piece, I'm gonna put it on my finger. Just push it down real nice and peel it off. And look, there is a fingerprint there. That is my index finger fingerprint. And now I'm going to do it for the rest of my fingers. I might need to add a bigger square, so I'll do that first. All right, so now I'm all done with my handprint, and you can see that how I organized it so that there's my thumb and everything. And these little marks are from my other fingers because my fingers are all messy. But now you can take a look at your fingerprints and see the different lines and the different patterns that each one makes. Are they all the same? Are they all different? I think they're probably pretty similar, but they are all a little bit different. Might even be hard to tell how they're different. So that's the experiment. And you can do this experiment with your mom or your dad or your sister or your brother, and you can look to see how are their fingers different than yours. And these little lines, you can tell them that you learned that these little lines are called epidermal ridges. It's a big word. Your epidermis is your skin. It's everything around your skin. So these little lines that you see here are your epidermal ridges. Now, you can try, when you try it with your family, you might notice that theirs are kind of similar to yours. But if you try it with maybe your babysitter or a friend, you might see that theirs are completely different because they're not related. Wasn't that so cool? So that's the little experiment on how to do fingerprints. One way that I use my fingerprint is with my phone. And I bet a lot of your mommy and daddies use their phone. They use their fingerprint to unlock their phone. Isn't that so? So the fingerprint is very unique and unusual thing that we use today. All right, serious friends, I hope you have a good day. Bye.